Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a PINCHme unboxing. So they told me they were gonna send me this box in January and today is April. I'm really excited to see what's in here. If you guys don't know, PINCHme is like influencer. They send you free samples to test out, and after you receive the item, you just have to write a review about it. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like inside. So the first thing I see here is a card from Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. You won't believe your eyes. This is what it looks like. And so this is the card for the eye drops they sent me. The brand is Lumify. I've never tried this brand before, so I'm really excited to try it out because every morning my eyes are really dry. It says works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. So I'm really happy that I got this. The second thing I see here is from the brand Native, and it's a deodorant. There you go. They have actually sent me a deodorant before and I really liked it. Last time I tried the lavender and rose, and this time they sent me coconut and vanilla. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And they also sent me a card of the deodorant. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. And in the bag, it has a picture of the deodorant. Alright, the last thing I have here is something for my hairy children. It is the Bella grain-free pate with vegetables with lamb, peas, and sweet potatoes. This is what it looks like. My dogs love eating soft food like this, so I'm really excited for them to try this brand out. I've never gave them this brand before, so I'm really excited to see if my dogs like this brand. But anyways, I'm really happy that I got this. Okay, so they actually sent me another thing, and it is a HelloFresh $60 gift card. I don't really use HelloFresh, so I don't really care for it, but if you guys use it, here's a code if anyone wants to try it. But yeah, that is everything they sent me in this box, so I'm really happy with that. So on PINCHme I also receive magazines. So I receive a yearly subscription of magazines, and these are the ones that I chose. They send me magazines from InStyle, so that's really nice. I also get a magazine from Food Network because I like food. I also chose to get magazines from Wired. I really like it because it talks about like the new technology and all that shit. And this one I received today, and it is called the Wellness Issue Sunset. So it's about travel and all that good stuff. So I'm really happy that I get all of these for free. So yeah, that is all for today. If you guys want to receive any of these things for free, you guys should definitely check out PINCHme. It's free. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.